Okay guys, welcome back. So today we are traveling on the G2G Trail. That's the Guelph to Goderich Trail. And this is a new section the city of Guelph built. And it kind of just stretches a little bit out to Woodlawn and then it ends, which is kind of weird. But we'll explore that as we go further. And yeah, this seems like a really popular trail because it really was just a footpath before and everybody used it anyway. So I guess they decided, why not build a trail here? And it's a good little cutoff because there's a massive cemetery that kind of blocks you off. So yeah, we're going to check this out. We're going to head out to Aerys, the little village of Aerys, and check it out. And this is kind of a test run for maybe something to come next week. So yeah, I want to scope out some kind of stealth camping spots. But be quiet, it's stealth. Let's check this out.
Before the rail trail became a destination for hikers and cyclists, it was a railway that connected communities across rural Ontario. Today, the G2G Rail Trail, short for Guelph to Goderich, offers a remarkable journey stretching approximately 132 kilometers from the heart of Guelph to the shores of Lake Huron in Goderich. Following the former Canadian Pacific Railway corridor, the trail winds through rolling farmland, peaceful forests, wetlands, rivers, and charming small towns. Along the way, visitors pass through communities including Elmira, Linwood, Millbank, Moncton, Blythe, Auburn, and Ben Miller, each offering its own unique glimpse into Ontario's rural heritage. The G2G Rail Trail is popular with hikers, cyclists, runners, bird watchers, and in winter cross-country skiers and snowshoers. Because the former railway grades are relatively gentle, much of the trail is accessible to people of varying fitness levels, making it ideal for both casual outings and multi-day adventures.
Okay, we have officially made it to the start of the G2G Trail. Now it's unfortunate that you can't take it straight from Guelph, and it's because of this little area over here. And the train line kind of stops kind of in the forest up there. We'll show you on Google Earth and maybe through the drone footage. But yeah, it's kind of weird. It just stops and there's some cars parked there. And you know, it'd be so much nicer if that trail just went all the way through. But instead you have to take Woodlawn and go up this crazy road to get here. So yeah, this is the official start. I'm not going to Goderich today. Maybe sometime soon, we'll see. And this is the Kissing Bridge section. So 4 kilometers to Aerys, not too bad. So it's kind of uphill. Should be downhill on the way back. So that's going to be the fun part. I'm usually going uphill on the way back. Today it's going to be downhill. So yeah, can't wait for that.
One of the trail's greatest attractions is its diversity. Towering forests give way to wide-open agricultural landscapes, while rivers and wetlands provide habitat for countless species of birds and wildlife. Throughout the journey, interpretive signs share stories of a railway era, Indigenous history, local ecology, and the communities that have shaped this landscape for generations. The trail is maintained through the efforts of volunteers, municipalities, conservation partners, and the G2G Rail Trail Incorporated, whose work has transformed an abandoned railway into a vibrant recreational corridor connecting people with nature. Whether you're walking a few kilometers or cycling the entire route, it is a journey through Ontario's history, landscapes, and communities, linking the vibrant city of Guelph with the picturesque harbour town of Goderich, one unforgettable kilometer at a time.
Okay, so we did make it all the way to Aerys. It wasn't too bad, actually. It's kind of a gradual uphill, so it's a little bit strenuous, but not terrible. And that's probably what you can expect on most part of this trail, is just straight and, you know, kind of boring, but kind of nice, because no traffic. So I'm going to stop here and grab a little lunch, and then we'll be heading back. And it should be a nice downhill trek, so looking forward to that. I don't even think there's a store here where you can buy anything unless you want to go to the golf course and get a drink. But I think that's about the only thing that's really here is the golf course and a couple small shops. So not a place you want to stop for lunch unless you bring your own lunch like I mostly do. So we're going to head back now to Guelph, and like I said, it should be a pretty easy ride, nice and downhill. So a bit of a boring trail. It's just straight, but not for me. It's kind of relaxing. So you just kind of set your gears and start pumping away. So yeah, kind of looking forward to exploring more of this trail in the future. And if there is somebody out there that has cycled to Goderich, I'd love to hear your comments. and how it went, because I'm kind of contemplating doing that. And maybe not this year. I don't think I'm physically ready yet, but for sure next year. So yeah, love to hear your comments. Anyway, let's get going.